Yo, what's up? I'm about to show y'all how to fix the colt 19. So I can see I broke my colt 1911. But playing with it, I figured out how to fix it. So if you got one that's broke, you can see it's like shattered. So it's gonna help you really good. Okay. So, which one we'll start is with these two pieces that actually what you will find is it goes in right here. Like that. Goes in right there. Goes in right there. Okay? Let me take it out. What you do is put it like this. Put it like that. You see that? You stick that right there. And make sure. Wait. Let me show you something. People just talk. This is in there. Yeah, you can see it clip pop. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna move it. See how I'm moving it? That is gonna clip in place. Oh shit, right. Okay, so what you wanna do? It might be a little hard to click it. Then grab this, the barrel. Take so much tape. And then you put that over there like that. And you connect. Oh, I see how you do it. Okay. So you're gonna put that in there. Put that right there. And it's like a filling that y'all can't see. But I'm gonna put this in there. I don't have to shoot that. But y'all know how that goes. So y'all gonna put that, connect these in. And y'all see how I shot that thing. Damn. Okay. Now this is how the gun shoots. That's how it looks without the frame on it. Okay. Okay. Then let's connect it. Put it into the gun. Oh snap. Shit. I know how to do it, trust me. I'm gonna get this shit. Okay. Okay, yeah, I did this. It's gonna be loose because the chain wouldn't connect nothing right. Make sure that's straight. Let me put that on there. Okay, that's how you put it back together. What it is, it's fixed, but you put some tape around it to hold this part. This part right here. See how it's loose? Cause like, okay, now the BB come to clip once you cock it back and when you push the thing forward like that, but it's not gonna go all the way forward like I just did. And it's going on what you come. So I'm gonna come back when I fix